This is the final border of a unicorn and castle quilt. What I did was put butterflies and loops in the center and a separate larger butterfly on the top, bottom, and side borders. Kind of separates it a little bit. So this butterfly wing will run into the little yellow border that you see there. You kind of tack that down a little bit. So there's about 8 butterflies on each side. Instead of running it all the way straight across, what I did was I did half of it and then brought the pattern in again, reverse imaged, and stuck the two together, took them over into art and stitch, and made them into back to artwork, joined them, and then went connect objects. So what that did was, instead of it sewing halfway through and then zipping over to the left side and coming left to right, it made it all one continuous design. So the butterfly will change in the middle to face the one that's opposite it, so that both ends of the quilt will balance. Otherwise what happens is you have a wing on the right side and the butterfly's body on the left side, and it doesn't balance. So it's easier to balance the point in the middle. So that's what we've done here. Pink Aurifil thread, variegated, 90 SUK needle. And it's just a little trickier when you're putting extra borders on. It's a little more of a programming issue, but it actually is very simple once you get used to it. And when you've done it a bunch of times, it's second nature. So just a short little video on putting different motif in the border, even though they're all butterflies. That's it for today.